In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add categories in our WordPress website. Adding categories is super easy process and you don't need to install and activate any plugin to add categories in your WordPress. Here's how to do it. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and now just hover over on post, and here you will find categories and tag. Click on categories, and here in this right hand section you will find all of your created categories, and in this left hand side you will find the options to create a new category. So now let's create a new category. I'm giving the category name pants, and you can also add a slug for the category. If you want, you can select a parent category from here. You can add a short description about your category, then just click on add new category. And here, as you can see, the category is successfully created. And now we will add this category in our post. So first of all, let's go to all post section, and for example, I want to add the category in this post. So I'm going to clicking on quick edit, and here we can see the category section. Now all you have to need is scroll down and just search for the category that you want to add to the post. So I'm selecting this category, and note one thing, that you can add multiple categories in a single post. So now after selecting category, make sure to click on update, and that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully added this category into this post. And now if you want, you can add a category to your website menu section. To do that, go to appearance and just click on menu, and here you have to select the specific menu that you want to edit, and here under add menu items, just click on categories. And now all you have to need, go ahead and select the category that you want to add to your menu, and just click on add menu. And here, as you can see, the category added to my menu section. Now I'm just clicking on save menu, and let's view our website. And here is my menu, and here we can see the category added. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.